Are you tired of hanging around people who are draining your energy and your finances? Do you sometimes have difficulty telling people no? Do you sometimes wonder if people are lying to you? Are you having difficulty forgiving yourself for past mistakes? If so, I have the perfect gemstone for you. Just keep watching. Hello, darlings. I am Cassandra George Sturgis. Welcome to my channel, Authentic Beauty Handmade Dolls and Crafts. In today's video, I am going to talk to you about the sunstone. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, this is the sunstone. And just think of the sun. What does the sun do? The sun, it shines light, right? And if something is shining light, then it's going to bring a different perspective, a bright perspective, a new outlook to a certain situation. This is my personal sunstone, and as big as this is, if you can see it here, I carry this sunstone with me all the time, and I keep it right here. Yes, this big sunstone. Now, sunstone is known as the truth detector, and the best way to think of it is the sun. So the sun, it shines light into the little dark cracks and crevices and hidden places and darkness, and all of the decisions and the people in your life is going to shed light onto those situations and give you a totally different perspective about it. The sunstone has a strong anti-depression and anti-stress vibration, and it helps you to feel like your life is worth living. Now, it is reputed to alleviate depression, but I want you to know, and please remember, that the metaphysical properties and uses for the sunstone does not take the place of a licensed professional. So if you feel depressed or sad, please go and see a doctor. Now, you can take your sunstone with you, but you cannot take your sunstone instead of going to see the doctor. In addition to alleviating depression, it is also said the sunstone helps you to forgive yourself for past mistakes. Now, what is really cool about this is that sometimes we harbor a lot of shame and guilt about things that have happened in our life because we have not grown to a point in our life to look back on that situation with a higher level of illumination or enlightenment. So if you go back and you shine your light on a mistake when you made when you were 13, you may see that, oh my God, I was only 13 years old. I didn't know any better. Or even if you thought you knew better, if you continue to make the mistake, you obviously didn't understand. Do you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes people say, well, the person knew what they were doing. No, when we really know what we're doing, we stop doing it. I know people who have cheated on their spouses several times, but they didn't learn that lesson until later. So what happens is, because you are looking back on a problem with a higher vibration and a higher level of a higher frequency of understanding and enlightenment, when you look back, you don't see it in the same light. And because you're looking at it from a higher level of thinking, it is so much easier to forgive yourself and let go of the past. Now, if you were going to use the sunstone in meditation, you would want to place it on your solar plexus, which is your third chakra, which is actually the area, your stomach area. Now, you would take this gemstone, and you can find them in a variety of shapes. Place it on your solar plexus, which is responsible for your self-esteem, your self-worth, and your personal will and your personal power. So when you balance your third chakra, it improves your self-esteem and your self-worth and your personal power, and you feel better about yourself in general. Another thing you can do is hold the sunstone and close your eyes and say, I love myself completely, totally, and unconditionally. Say it again. I love myself completely, totally, and unconditionally. Now what I would like for you to do is to imagine the sun, and the sun is rising and it is setting, right? This is a metaphor for a new start. So every day brings about a new start with a fresh and bright outlook on life. One of my favorite characteristics of the sunstone crystal is that it gives you the ability to let go of people who drain you, who drain your finances. And I mean, this worked for me. Almost to the point where my daughter says sometimes, "Mom, why are you so cold? Yeah, I know this person did you wrong, but what? I don't understand." But I started carrying this stone about a year ago, and I have noticed how it has absolutely changed my life. I don't feel guilty about telling people no. So this is really a perfect gemstone. This sunstone, it is a perfect gemstone if you are a people pleaser. It also gives you the ability to say no without explanation, without stuttering, without explaining, just simply telling people no. And you don't allow people to use you, or listen guys, if you are looking to improve your self-esteem and you're tired of, babysitting or loaning people money, if you're just tired of feeling walked on, I'm telling you, the sunstone is a perfect place to start. Did you know that the sunstone has a reputation of being called the truth detector? Yes, the truth detector. It is the perfect stone to take with you if you are dating. And I mean, when you meet people and you don't know if they're telling you the truth or not, if you're dating online, if you have a business and you are negotiating and you're not sure if the other person is being honest and truthful, this is the perfect gemstone to take with you. Now, if you are holding yourself back because you feel self-doubt, you feel disadvantaged, you feel abandoned, you feel unworthy, or that life is not treating you fairly, you feel discriminated against, this is the perfect gemstone for you because it inspires enthusiasm and optimism. And my favorite thing about this particular gemstone, the sunstone, is that it turns your anger into energy. I call my sunstone my Harriet Tubman gemstone. Now, the reason I call it my Harriet Tubman gemstone is because it inspires action, energy, and moving forward with your life, and it enhances your leadership skills. But the thing that's interesting about the type of leadership skills that the sunstone inspires is the kind that inspires other people to help themselves on their journey to reaching their full potential. So it's not the type of leader where you want to tell people what to do and make them work for you for minimum wage. No, it's not that type of leadership stone. It's the type of stone where you inspire people to help themselves to reach their own goals and dreams and do what is in their own best interest. And it also is known to attract fame and unexpected prosperity. Now, if you are looking to be promoted or marketing your business, you should place a sunstone next to your computer at home or work, because it is supposed to help attract clients to your business, raise your profile, and stimulate lucrative opportunities to come into your life. One of the most fun and interesting things about the sunstone is that if you wear a sunstone ring on your left hand, it attracts all of the things that you need and desire into your life. If you wear a sunstone ring on your right hand, you will give multiple blessings and healings to other people. So I think it's best probably to wear it on both hands because it sounds great to me. But yeah, no, this is my favorite ring, so I can't, sacrifice it. But I love this ring. This is actually a sunstone ring that I made, and so I've been wearing it. Now, another thing about the sunstone is that if you wear it as a necklace, which I am wearing here as a necklace, it aligns the wisdom of your heart chakra with the wisdom of your mind, so that the decisions you make are in alignment with what is for your highest good and your own spiritual growth. The sunstone is known to have many health benefits. For example, it is an excellent crystal for people who suffer with phobias or people who are afraid of being in enclosed places. Sunstones are rumored to chase away nightmares. They help with sore throat, muscle cartilage problems. People say that if you roll your foot on a sunstone, it would relieve your aching feet. I don't know. I haven't tried it before. It aids with weight loss. Yes, the sunstone actually aids with weight loss by boosting your metabolism. So what you would want to do is place the crystal on your stomach, and it is supposed to stimulate your willpower. The sunstone also regulates your organs. It brings joy and positive feelings into your life. And it also aids in mental clarity, which allows you to think simply and straightforward and to find easy solutions to a lot of problems. Like sometimes we overthink things. Isn't this wonderful? Isn't the sunstone an awesome crystal? This gemstone actually saved my life. If you have any other information about the sunstone, please share it in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.